Hey gang, Poppy here. My wife's asleep. Uh, I ran out of space on the computer while I was recording machining this, but I finished it off camera. How's that for a fit? Yeah. Hey gang! Poppy here. I'm basically doing a bunch of housekeeping. Getting ready for the next project and all. Where was I keeping the Momax? Yeah, down here with the tools. Okay. Now, this is for coming up project. Let's see here. Oh. You know you bit me like you were something alive. That's original. You hear me? That is original. Gathering all these hex key type wrenches. Oh, cool. I'll say it. Allen wrenches. Here's my prick punch. It broke. I got to finish regrinding it. This is a center punch. You notice the difference. Well, this one here isn't even as sharp as it should be, because it broke. And half reground. Not all the way, just half. Ooh, hey, it's even in its container here. Down here with them bills. What the heck? Nothing important. Nothing important. Piece of channel aluminum and a piece of aluminum angle that thinking about what I can make it into. That's a nice piece of channel aluminum. Heavy. It's already been shear linized with the red. Put this in mill in its little plastic container. And now, should I handle part of my rotary table now? Now what was that? Power supply for the laser. Yeah. Okay. Now, more shear line parts. This, you may not be able to see it. Craft Decor Chalk Writer. Marqueur Cray. That's be the French, I believe. Great for chalkboards, dry erase boards, windows, glass, mirrors, ceramic, and metal. Okay. Ooh, more shear line parts. Take my machinist's rules to 6-inch. And why are you doing this, Poppy? This is my custom 5.5-inch rule. Why are you cleaning up, Poppy? Huh? Why? Gotta do it sometime. Right now, since I want to drink some of this, I can't machine. Not responsibly. So to be productive, there's a nice hunk of bearing bronze. You can tell by those helical swirls that it was highly crafted. Yeah. These. Yes. These. What do I do with these? Stand up. Deal with these. Pain. Okay. Pick you up. Pick you up. And here come all. This means I need to disconnect this one. See if my daddy, the electrician, taught me well enough. Screw that. Just drop them all. ain't gonna try and hand over hand this. Screw it. Okay. Hey, these are two of my DRO scales. I'm gonna be redoing my DRO setup. On 2 axes, because I'm just not happy with how they are at the moment. So redo them. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to redo them. Look, my electric cord's got a pom-pom. Hey, now. Come on, you. Come on. There we go. Motor there. Where to put it? Now let's see. That can go there. This can go on top of it. These can go on top of that. Ah! There. Where else? Ah! Hey, more shear line parts. Blade can go there. Yeah, Poppy get all kinds of cavalier in here right now. Ah! Now, don't want to sit on the motor unit. Of my lathe and milling machine. Generally say you anyway, right there. Pull the cord up. You can go over here for a while. want to fit. That is just plain wrong. Sorry, that's not the one that belongs there. It just isn't. It satisfied my curiosity once and for freaking all. It wants to start, but it does not want to go in. So, there's a couple of screws around here. Somewhere around here. Why? Crap like this always gotta happen. Okay. The one I want is in one of these project trays. I'm moving around to sort of simulate space. Here's the tooling plate I made. I do believe the screw I'm looking for is here. Ah, here we are. Oh, okay. That's the back. Take your screw. That's that. Now, since this screw here only has to keep the end of the lathe from flopping around, there. Okay. A significant portion of the way there. Ah! Hey! It actually went out. Now, 1/4 inch bronze. That's right, it's in the top of the No. Still run true. Hey, that's good. I like that. Let's find my. No, that's not good. I think they're one. Here we are. Ball bearing in the center for the tailstock. But since I am going to be turning, and I'm going to be turning low, so take this block. Off. And put it in the to test. Now, still too high though. I did a project on that. It's in my playlist. As you can see, I'm at a serious handicap here because I gotta move stuff around just to get the things I want. Where'd the other tool block go? What do you mean I moved that for no good reason? I don't like that. Here we are. This is a tool holding long enough. Just. Or then maybe not. We'll find out later. Hey, long enough. Arbitrarily this one. Okay, yeah. Run my tail saw all the way back. Ooh, no good. Well, maybe not. Maybe it might be okay. Let's see how far I can bring back my tool. Will my tool get all the way back? Almost. Well. Oh! That is the great thing about having more than one tool holding device. Really? Getting the screw detached from back here. I should have no problem with that, should I? Yeah. And now, the question is, how many? Yeah. Well, I could bring in a little bit. About there. Arthritis. Ugh. There you is. Where did I put my glasses? Here they are, right in plain sight. Hey, I will be right back in a minute or two. Gotta go get a measuring tool. Okay, so I didn't need to go inside to get that measuring tool. Well, you know what they say about life. Okay. Zero out my micrometer. Come on. Come on. Come on. Close up. Oh, come on. Why don't you want to zero out? Ah. There gotta be something wrong with this electronic piece of shit. It won't zero out. This one will zero out. Since this is the one that wants to work, $618.5. Six.
I'm gonna say it. Ain't gonna check the water. Keep your fucking hands off my machine.
This verbal abuse brought by my loving wife. 6, 95, 96, 97 and a half. 697 and a half. Alright. And I want to get down to six. 617. Okay. Now, let's see which tool we want to turn this baby with. Nice tool. Got a good grind on it too. Perhaps. Perhaps. That is way above. I have a feeling that it's too high. Yeah, just a little. I do believe that is right. Excellent. And then come over here and touch off. See what happens. Hey, I'm cutting bronze. Hey. Okay, I'm going to put the camera back over here so as it can watch the work. And I'm about right here. And now what I am doing here is I used to have a Unimat. It's a small lathe. It's a little bit smaller than this, a little bit shorter. Yeah. Anyway, the tailstock had a threaded nose, the same thread as the spindle nose. So I could put the 3 jaw chucks of my Unimat on the tailstock. Now this is a pretty nice feature. Now why am I telling you this? Because I wanted to be able to do that with my shear line. Same thread. The 3 jaw chuck will screw onto this. I have to turn it down to this diameter. Cut a slot and drill a clearance hole for this lead screw. Then it will be a fixture I can attach my 3 jaw chuck to the tailstock of my lathe. Ah. Not quite that much, huh? Now I want to take this dimension, which is going to become this dimension, all the way to here. That's why I got to hug off this bronze. This is not brass. Anyone who thinks this is brass, no, it's not. This is bronze. This screw here's this screw's twin sister before the plastic surgery. Earlier in another video, I put this bronze screw, attached it like so, popped the center hole in it, and I started turning it down just to demonstrate straight turning. I can't slow down the feed rate with my power feed here. So I can't play around with hog out at 20 thousandths of rev, then drop it down to like 5. You know, take a couple of passes, you know, spring pass or two, then drop it down to 1.5 thousandth of revolution. Crank the spindle speed up and 2 thousandths. Take 4 hours to make one cut. Guys are betting. Is he going to get fired? Is it going to spec out to dementia? Other guys, they're just standing back there going, look at the surface finish he's getting. You don't say. Here you, yeah. One thing you may have noticed, this hand wheel is black, not red, and it's larger. This is the oversized metric hand wheel. I put it on here, 100 graduations instead of 50. Bang! Instant upgrade. And larger knob. About there. Cross that transition. Cross that transition. Hey. It's too bad I don't Instagram. Chip of the week. Well, I'm working on a project now. I just did the preliminary parts acquisition. I took apart one of those easy chair lift mechanisms. You know, you mount an easy chair on it and it lifts it up so grandma or grandpa can get in and out without for the grandchildren helping her. Well, got the mechanism that took the expensive stuff, the electronics, the motor, the controller, right? And I'm going to disconnect whatever it is, whether it's a screw or a rack that it pushes. So I just have this motor. It goes two directions and it moves really slow. It has lots of torque. It used to lift my fat butt. The question is, will I be able to get it slow enough? And then, how will I do it? Will I do it by gears or pulleys? Or will I get into its electronics with the help of a fellow YouTube poster? Hey man, here's a picture. Where do I put the rheostat to slow this son of a bitch down? That kind of thing. Okay. Six, 618. We're shooting at 618. Yeah, 670. 665, 666, 668. Okay. Did you see that? It zeroes out. Ten. We're just gonna sit here and watch it work. It's 50 plus minutes on my recording timer. And I get to the end of this cut, I'm going to stop recording. Come back when I'm a little bit closer to finished dimension. Alright, pound the crap out of this digital micrometer and make it behave. On off. Hey, guess what? My digital micrometer decided to start behaving. $6.18.65. Alright, gang, after I finish backing this off of the part, I'm going to go in the house, make myself a cup of hot sleep substitute. Some people call it cafe au lait. 1/2 very strong coffee, and 1/2 hot milk, so you don't rot your stomach with the caffeine. Okay, now I was gonna go in, make that cup of coffee, and come back out and